I'm a proud Jamaican. Me love my country, but I'm worried for the nation. No good examples now set no foundation. The future looks sticky for this and the next generation.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
The schoolers them last motivation, concentration. Them say fully done so for education. Them turn them back on them morals and reputation. I'm annoyed, me ashamed, me frustration.
Bless everyone, greetings my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, speak up on yourself, you know. Give thanks to life, health and strength, you know. Blessed good morning wherever you are. 3rd of January, we say give thanks to life, health and strength. You know what I mean? Life are the greatest thing. Big up everybody on the platform. The first, you know, I see me from the year start. I don't know what time I saw it go, you know. Yeah, man. But anyway, Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah, man, Linefoot. See? There, you see me, we say give thanks to life. Yeah, man. So, this morning, I talk about a video that I was sent to me last night. Very disturbing video. You know, it erupted, provoked my depression, and it just gave me a flashback of Kale and Dowdy. Zine? Yeah, so some people gang up on a little 14-year-old girl. Elders, you know, and kids, you know. You see what I'm saying? Deal with the girl brawling viciously. As I said, it gave me flashbacks of Kale and Dowdy. We all know what happened to Kale and, you see me? Sad. Jamaica, we can do better. At this we're going to like arrogantly, you know? It's like we don't have no compassion, no love. Everybody just want to be volatile and violent, vulgar. John Star. But them deal with the girl brawling. I mean, I want to see the video already. We can't show all of it on YouTube because you know YouTube policy. Zine. But I'm just give my view, and they need to be punished. They need to be charged. You see me? But something that adds up to me because an interview was done by TBJ, Zine, and the mother speaks. But something that adds up. I don't know. Right, they must say relate to matey, like the mother and when our next lady I go to the same man. But something that adds up in the video. Where the girl was at top, where somebody said bust back her head, so we don't know. Zine, so me I go chip in, chip out, and you can leave it in the comment section. What do you think? And anybody know the truth? Leave it in the comment section and reach out to Linefoot on Linefoot TV by Instagram. Zine? Yeah, man. So something that adds up. But anyway, hear what the mother says.
What happened? The child's mother tells what she heard.
Like my daughter went to visit a friend, and when she went, she was sitting on the wall, and she was attacked by 4 adults, saying that one of the lady hold her and said, "Who's your mother?" And she said, "Tan," and said, "You know, long me want hold your mother." And she held my daughter, and she spit in her face.
Alright, so the mother says she went to go check her friend, the woman said, "Who are your mother?" Zine, "Who's your mother?" And she said such and such. And then some spit in her face going and whatever. Me don't know. But this is what the mother said in the interview. Zine, but I will listen to this, the video with the attack go on, but we never can show it because, you know, but listen to the voice. As I can hear the little 14-year-old girl I say, "You can't lick me back, you can't lick me back." So clearly some fighting did go on with the kids, you see me?
I need that. Fucking blood clot. Stop him with it. Why not kill him?
On the year where the person said in the background, I said, bust back her head, bust back her beak head or whatever. So, did the 14-year-old girl bust somebody head, the child head for the mother who attacked her with a spoon? We don't condone the attack by the mother, you know, with the spoon in her hand. It looked like a metal spoon. And you see, she used her big heavy hand on the little child. That could have been my daughter, could have been your daughter, niece, nephew, niece, you know, whatever. But the woman said, bust back her head. Did something happen? Did something happen? The girl and the mother with the spoon, child and a girl did a fight, and the mother said she got bust back her head because if you listen. So I say something that adds up because the mother didn't mention nothing in the interview that her daughter and the next child was fighting. Nothing like that. So it come off like a some mate thing. That's how it sounded in the interview. Is it? Yeah. That's what I say. But listen part again.
Now, why was one of the attackers interested in the teenager's mother? TVJ News understands that a love triangle may have fueled the incident, but the 14-year-old is not involved in the romantic relationship. It appears that the mother of the 14-year-old has a boyfriend. That boyfriend is also in a relationship with another woman. The mother of woman number 2 and other family members attacked the 14-year-old since they could not reach the child's mother.
So matey 1 daughter, the 14-year-old, and matey 2 daughter sound like them a war. So matey kids them take it up on a war against one another. Over man, you know. Jaja. Right, when you say them must say some matey business and the child have nothing to do with it. But how comes them must say somebody in the video say bust back her head? Me no know. But at the end of the day, Lionfoot, me no condone that. You know me are the man of peace, and as me say, when I saw the video last night, it just mash up my mood, my momentum, me just depression, me just feel depressed. Is it my viewers and subscribers? You know, and it just make me say me for release that song quick, you know. What is wrong with humanity? You see me? Is that bad no love no one again?
What is wrong with humanity?
It's left to be seen if charges will be laid against the 5 females now in custody.
Yeah, but we not condone that attack, and the mothers them, 5 of them have been arrested. You see, 5 of them have been arrested, and they should be charged. Yeah man, they should be charged, because no way you can deal with a little 14-year-old like that. Especially if you're a big old woman. Look on the woman how she big woman, like she in her 40s, late 40s. You see me? Big woman. And about 3 adults was there. You see her next adult kick the little girl while she was on the ground, kick her. You see me? And then the other pitney them, I beat her, step on her, step in her belly and all of them things there. Nah man, shocking man. Shocking. For this, we're going to tell my fellow Jamaica. We know say we know no morals as Jamaica, you know. Nobody now think and nobody now love them one another again. Family fight against family, and good friend will grow together fight against them one another, all because of money and vanity and bad mind. But come on man, we can do better man. Yes, yo. We can do better man. At least we result too. We can do better. See, but those parents, 5 of them who have been arrested and charged, they need to be charged and they need to be served the full extent of the law. Yeah man, as I say, make them an example of what happened to Kaylan. See, Kaylan, they know vegetable. Happy New Year, Kaylan. And this little girl could have ended up in the same situation. Yeah, the mother said she lost memory and all of those stuff, you know. Sad man. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, when I work with there, you know. I'm the man of peace. And I say love and unity and strength. You see it? Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. See it? Manners. Bless you.
What is wrong?